Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to the Loaded Lemon Pocket Swap hosted by Linnae of My 60s Life. Please check out her channel and also please check out all of the collaborators and swap partners. All of the participating channels will be listed below in my description box.
Today I want to share with you the pocket that I created, and I did that in another video, so if you want to catch that tutorial, you sure can do that. But I wanted to show it to you, and then we're going to stuff it together, and then it'll be ready for the mail. So here it is. I love it so much. We actually have three pockets. We have one here. We have a small one here that I can put some flat items in, and then of course we have the large one here. I added some stickles, of course, some trim, some gingham trim up here as well, along with a layered embellishment piece here. We had a list of things that we needed to add to our pocket, so I want to share with you what that list of items was. A memory dex card, a set of 4 embellishments, a set of 4 bows, an altered mini notebook, a beaded pen, and then we could also include stickers, envelopes, note cards, altered paper clips, fun items from the Dollar Tree, and crafty goodies. So let's get started. Here's a large note card. This is not going to fit in these smaller pockets, so I'm just going to pop this in here like that. And actually, this is one of the items that I got from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that back here. I don't know if everything is going to fit in this envelope, but we will try. We have crafty goodies. Let me keep those aside. Let's see. We have some envelopes that I created, and this one was given to me by my friend Nancy. Thank you, Nancy. I am sharing one of the beautiful envelopes that you shared with me. And then this one I made by hand. We also have the little note cards. So this one says it's a bright sunshiny day. I added some lace to it. This one got some stickles, sweet summer vibes, sweet summer moments with some stickles, and then welcome summer days. Also, I added some stickles to that. And let's see, let's pop these right here in this front pocket. I'm going to spread them out a little bit, give them the cute visual look here. And then maybe actually these small embellishments can fit in there. So this embellishment, I upcycled one of those projector slides and I added some stickers to it. So it's layered on top of fabric and then scrapbook paper, and I think it turned out so cute, and I put some stickles on the stickers. So let's see if this will slide in the front here. Oh, I think it will. Oh, fantastic. That looks great. There we go. We got that right there. And then we have this one. This one's also not a tiny one, and I used scrapbook paper and this film strip, and then added this, here comes the sun, and then added a bowl sticker. It's a bowl of lemons, and then I added some stickles. So let's see if we can pop that right here. Okay, I think so. There we go, looking cute. And then these two adorable little embellishments. They are stickers layered on top of lace, which is on top of fabric, which is on top of scrapbook paper. I don't know if I can get these in here, but let's find out. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, they went in. Okay, let's get this one in too. How cute. All right, that's pretty loaded. Now, we've got a pocket in the back. Where is that pocket? Oh yeah, so we've got this really skinny pocket in the back, and I'm thinking I can get these envelopes into the skinny pocket in the back. Let me try. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, let me get this one in there as well. Yep, those fit in there super nice. So look at all these wonderful layers so far. All right, now we've got our altered notebook. So I'm thinking, let's go ahead and slide this into this pocket. That's going to take up some room, but we got it in there. And we got that big note card in there too. I'm just kind of pulling that up so it doesn't completely disappear. And then we have this envelope, and I thought what I would do is add some things to this envelope. I've got some doilies. Now I don't know if the doilies are going to fit in here. Let me see. They're just a little too big, so Let me see if I can fit them in here, and I can. I'm gonna put them between the big note card and the sticker pack. I'm just gonna pop those in there. I like the way that looks. And then back to this. So I've got some pink, what are these? These are safety pins. Let's go ahead and pop these in here. Hopefully they'll be found. I have some of these fun charms, but these are gonna be too big, I think, right? I think so. They're pretty bulky, so let's put those to the side. We'll get to that stuff later. I wanna get the bows into this envelope, but I'd like to do it in such a way that they're not gonna be a complete mess by the time that they get where they're going. So I'm gonna take some double stick tape and going to put it down this card here. You know what, hold on, this tape looks a little dirty. Let me get fresh. It's been, it's been traveling with me, so it's a little bit of a mess there. So let me try again. Let me get a clean piece. Okay, and now we're gonna put it down the card here. Okay. Now I'm thinking there's a little piece hanging off the edge. Let me go ahead and cut that off. There we go. All right, now I'm thinking let's take the bows and then just stick them down on here. And then I'm hoping that that will hold them nicely in place so that they can arrive safely. Let's hope that that works out the way that I'd like it to. So this was the first time that I made handmade bows, and I'm pretty pleased with how they turned out. I think they turned out pretty cute. Just two more left. Here we go. Okay, so what do you guys think about that? I think that works pretty nicely. Little concerned about this stickiness right here, but you know what? I have this plastic from this paper pad that I used. Let's go ahead and just trim some of it off. Upcycling, recycling, right? And let's go ahead and put this in here. I think what I could do is trim this piece off here, and then this piece off here, and then I'll just go like this. Oops, let me make sure that looks okay. So yeah, it does. Let's go like that. And then I'll trim that up and tape it. All right, my friends, it's not a professional job, but it will get them there safe. So that's really what I was concerned about. I didn't want them to be all wrinkled and wonky shaped and all that kind of stuff. So we've got them safely in the envelope, and that's what matters. Now we're gonna close the envelope. Can I put anything else in it? Well, I have these paper clips, and maybe they're altered. And maybe I can put a couple of these on here. Oh, you know what? This needs to go inside too. I altered a little safety pin, so let's pop that in here. So hopefully my recipient will shake this out a little bit so everything comes out of the envelope. But this is a good place to put these items here. There we go, okay. We have one more altered paper clip that we want to attach, and let me see where I might like to put that. Maybe right here on this edge. That's looking super cute, I think. Yeah, that's cute. And then this, I think we might have to move these over here. Oops. Let's move these over here like this, and then we can stuff this down in here. There we go. Okay. This is great. Okay, my friends, I want to add some of this trim, so I'm gonna see if I can slide that in there. Oh, I did, no problem there. Let's go ahead and add this one as well. All right, that popped in there pretty easily. There we go. Got some nice trim in there. Where am I gonna put our cute pen? I wonder if this will slide over here. Okay, I'm trying. Let's see. I think I can, there we go. Okay, there. Look, it fit. I got it in there. I can't believe it. Nothing busted. That's great. Okay. Got that in there. And I want to include some crafty goodies, so I am going to send this fabric. I'm going to send this trim, some strawberries, and some ice cream cones, but I don't think that I'm going to be able to fit them into this envelope. But this is what I'm sending, and I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.